Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the Waltz visual cycle. Rhodopsin molecular weight is 35,000. Rhodopsin is a conjugated protein present in rods. It contains 11 cis retinol and the protein opsin. The aldehyde group of the retinol is linked to E amino group of lysine of opsin. Okay. Rhodopsin is a conjugated protein present in rods, and this rhodopsin contains the 11 cis retinol and the protein opsin. The aldehyde group of the retinol is linked to E amino group of lysine of the opsin. The primary event in visual cycle on exposure to light is the isomerization of 11 cis retinol to all trans retinol. This leads to a conformational change in opsin, which is responsible for the generation of nerve impulse. All trans retinol is immediately isomerized by retinal isomerase of retinal epithelium to 11 cis retinol. This combines with opsin to regenerate rhodopsin and complete the visual cycle. However, this conversion of all trans retinal to 11 cis retinal is incomplete. Therefore, most of the all trans retinal is transported to the liver and converted to all trans retinol, that means aldehyde group to alcohol group by alcohol dehydrogenase. The all trans retinol undergoes isomerization to 11 cis retinol, which is then oxidized to 11 cis retinol by alcohol dehydrogenase and participate in visual cycle, and the form 11 cis retinol is again combines with the opsin and forms the rhodopsin. See once again. On exposure to light, that means photon on exposure to the light, rhodopsin, that means 11 cis retinol opsin is 11 cis retinol is converted to all trans retinol. Okay, all trans retinol, 11 cis retinol on exposure to light, 11 cis retinol is converted to all trans retinol. This leads to the conformational change in the opsin, and this leads to the generation of nerve impulse. Then immediately this 11 trans retinol is isomerized. Okay, 11 trans retinol is isomerized to 11 cis retinol in the presence of the enzyme retinal isomerase in retinal epithelium. Okay, the former 11 cis retinol is combines with the opsin. This 11 cis retinol is combines with the opsin and again forms regeneration of rhodopsin, that means 11 cis retinol opsin. Okay, but there is no complete transfer of all trans retinol to 11 cis retinol. Okay, most of the all trans retinol is remain. The remainder all trans retinol is transferred to the liver. Okay, all trans retinol is transferred to the liver. In liver, alcohol dehydrogenase is present, and this enzyme converts this all trans retinol to all trans retinol. Okay, again this all trans retinol is converted to 11 cis retinol in liver by the enzyme isomerase. Again this all cis retinol is converted to 11 cis retinol, and the reaction is same here. 11 cis retinol is combines with the opsin and leads to regeneration of rhodopsin, that means 11 cis retinal opsin. Okay, here see here guys, in conversion of all trans retinal to all trans retinol, NADH is used and it converted to NAD plus. But here 11 cis retinol, but the conversion of 11 cis retinol to 11 cis retinal, NADH is formed. Okay, here utilized, here formed. We are talking about the NADH. Okay guys, see once again, the primary event in visual cycle on exposure to light is, the primary event in visual cycle on exposure to light is isomerization of 11 cis retinal to all trans retinol. This leads to conformational change in opsin, which is responsible for generation of nerve impulse. The all trans retinol is immediately isomerized by retinal isomerase, which is present in the retinal epithelium to 11 cis retinol, that means trans to cis. Okay, we call that isomerization. This combines with the opsin to regenerate the rhodopsin and complete the visual cycle. However, the conversion of all trans retinol to 11 cis retinol is incomplete. Therefore, most of the all trans retinol is transported to the liver and converted to all trans retinol by alcohol dehydrogenase. The all trans retinol undergoes isomerization to 11 cis retinol, which is oxidized to 11 cis retinol to participate in the visual cycle. Okay, this is about the Wahl's visual cycle. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.